I know it. I won't forget it. Wait, was it refused?
Rotate the screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
What will they do with the client?
ICC deactivated.
Oh God, why are you... What we want to know is, will this car bring us to... Hey BYD,
I'm here.
how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. I hope you are having a great day.
Can you rotate the screen?
Okay, rotating the screen.
Can you turn on the ventilation?
Okay, setting AC mode to ventilation.
Can you turn off the AC?
The AC is already off.
Can you rotate the screen?
Okay, rotating the screen.
And can you open the sunshade?
The blind is open.
We have here the intelligent cruise control. So those are the safety assistants like emergency lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, door open warning, adaptive front light. The ESC, electronic stability control, is off. Why is it off? Because it's on the sport mode. Hill descent control, I like that. Electronic parking brake, once on, turn it off by shifting. Assist mode. It's a lot of safety systems. We don't need that. Right, let's test the adaptive cruise control. So
ICC activated.
it's activated right now. At what is the speed limit? Okay, keep an eye on the road. I will. How can I? It's now at 109 kilometers kph, and with this wheel Yes, so with this one you can change the, what will they do with the climate? Oh God, why are you not braking? Come on, man. Okay, let's try again, okay? So this is how we activate. And let's change the speed. Will it work? Oh, okay, okay.
That's a little bit scary.
Huh?
It's a little bit scary.
You think it's scary?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what it does. Okay, I will. For me, it's very hard to trust systems like this. Oh, this one is a sharp one. No, it was. This one was too sharp for the system. Okay, let's deactivate the system. But Inshi, so guys, I am today with my lovely daughter, and she was excited to come with me. So, what do you think about this car?
I think I like it, but our car is much better.
So you like the Tesla Model Y more than this one?
Yes.
And why is that? If you ask me, the quality of this car is much more better than the Tesla Model Y. The seats are more comfortable than ours, and the screen is, this car is complete, you know. But what do you think about the seats?
It's comfortable.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let's try the
Navigation.
navigation and the voice assistant. But let's try to navigate to
China.
To China. Well, this car comes from China. You can ask the navigation to navigate to Istanbul.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Hi BYD.
Hi there.
Navigate to Istanbul, Turkey. Navigate to city center.
I found these. Which do you want?
Well, this is not Istanbul in Turkey, right? Okay, let's try again. Let's go to Andorra, okay? Maybe Istanbul.
Can I ask it?
You can ask it
Hi BYD.
again.
Hi BYD.
Hi there.
Navigate to Andorra.
Navigate to Andorra.
Navigate to Andorra.
Here's what I found. Which would you like?
Yeah. Let's try again. Hi BYD.
I'm here.
Navigate to Madrid.
Here's what I found. Which would you like?
The first one. Finally.
All right. Madrid. Starting navigation.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go to Madrid with this car. But no, nothing. Please go.
I found these.
No, no.
Which do you want?
Ah! Go away. Okay, what we want to know is, will this car bring us to well, it will bring us to Madrid, but are the charging stops integrated? So you know, when we went to Italy and Croatia and Bosnia with the Model Y, the navigation brought us to the different charging spots. You know, like
I don't think
this one,
don't do it.
I can't see any charging spots. You see?
Yeah.
So you can search for charging stations, like You know, we want a very fast charging station. Oh no, this one is a filter. So we filter the slowest charging stations off. Okay. And this is the newest software of BYD. So maybe it needs some updates, but for now, when you navigate to a place from A to B, the navigation will not calculate the energy of the car.
Are we really going to Madrid?
No, we will bring the car back.
Oh.
We have this car for 30 minutes or something, so we have to bring it back. But yeah, I like the car. There is a charging, a wireless charging pads. But the guy at the dealership told us that only the left side can charge a phone, and the right side is a dummy. So you just place this one doesn't charge your phone. But there was another function, the 3D camera. You can play with it. Please show me the different camera angles.
Let's see. This
Okay.
one.
So really sharp, right?
Yes. This one.
It's the left side,
This one.
the right side.
There's nothing there.
Okay. In front also, and you can drive like this.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay. What do we have? And you can see both sides, dual view.
What is 2D?
Yeah, try.
Oh,
Oh,
that's cool.
oh, nice.
You only see the wheels and
Mhm.
everything around the car.
Around the car, yeah. So try the other options.
Oh, this one's cool.
Yeah, you like it?
It's like a drone is there.
Yeah. Okay. What do we have more? Should we tell the navigation to stop? Can you tell the navigation to stop?
Hey BYD. Hey BYD. Stop the navigation.
Currently, no media is being played.
What's wrong with her? I think she doesn't like kids. Haha. Turn the navigation off.
Deactivating route guidance.
See? She doesn't like
Unfortunately, I can't help you with that
kids.
yet.
Okay, bye-bye.
Where you can see the car. How it's right.
This one, and this is so you can change the angle of the camera.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's do it from here. So you can see everything.
So this is really nice.
Yeah.
And it works really good, fast.
Look. This one's cooler. Look this. What is this actually?
That's the gear shift. So
What?
you see the letter D.
Yeah.
You know what that means?
I know.
That means drive. So the car is now in drive. Hi. Bye bye. Bye bye. You see those
N?
kids?
What? What?
Wave to him. So N means neutral. And do you know what the letter R means?
Rotate.
Rotate.
But that's
So
given
what?
the letter
So
R.
okay, I will ask you to translate achteruit in English.
Right back.
Okay, almost.
Reuse.
Reuse.
Refuse.
Refuse. So you are refusing with this option.
Yeah.
Okay, we are refusing. No, that means reverse.
Oh yeah.
And reverse means
Achteruit.
achteruit. That's right.
So when you're parking, you use
I forget what the word was because of you. No, so when you park backwards in a parking space, then you use this gear shift to put it
Revise.
in what? Revise? No, reverse.
Always,
Reverse.
always forgot it. Reverse.
Reverse. Yep.
Now I know it. I won't forget it. Wait, was it refuse?
Yeah, okay, you know what? You just use the word refuse for the letter R, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So what? No, so there is a speed bump in front of us,
Oh.
but we have checked the road first. Is it clear? And is it safe? Yes, it's safe. So let's try. Okay. Woo!
Was it fast enough?
The brakes works really good.
Was
All
it
right.
fast enough?
Look, again,
What?
the Kuip, the stadium.
Oh.
I was there with your little sister
I know.
last Wednesday. It was a Champions League game between Feyenoord and Sparta
Sparta.
Prague. It was a good game.
Sparta Praha. Praha.
Sparta Praha. Okay, let's see if we can find a spot to park the car.
So we can film the
So
whole car.
no, so we can test the rear view cameras. All right, I see a parking spot in front of us.
Where?
Here.
Oh.
Let's see.
What?
Yes, we can park over here.
I think this is a place
Okay.
for bicycles.
So let's put it in refuse. Reverse. Nice. So the side mirrors went down automatically.
Oh,
And you can change also. Look, the camera angle, so you can check what's in front of you, what's on side, in front of you, in the back,
backwards.
and dual side view.
That looks a little bit scary.
So let's. Okay. All right. Okay. Can you ask the viewers to like this video and
Like
subscribe?
this video, please.
And
Subscribe, please.
and
Double up, please.
and we want to know what they think about this car, right?
Oh yeah. Say what you like of this car. What you think of this car, please.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we see you on the next video.
Wait.
Okay, do that.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
So beautiful.
Okay.
Bye-bye.